How to fix my iPhone won't turn on or charge black screen problem. So if you want to fix my iPhone won't turn on or charge or black screen problem, then here's the solution. So if your screen is black or has a frozen, then if you're using iPhone 8 or later, then you just need to simply press and quickly release the volume up button and press and quickly release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appears. This will take around 10 seconds. If your iPhone doesn't turn on, then charge your iPhone for 1 hour and then try again. If your iPhone shows a low battery or low charge battery, then check your hardware and charge your iPhone again. If your iPhone still doesn't turn on, then you can contact the Apple support. But if you're using the iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, then you just need to simply press and hold both the sides of the button, like volume down button and the power button, until you see the Apple logo. And if your iPhone doesn't turn on, then charge your iPhone for 1 hour and then try again. And do the same thing as iPhone 7. If your iPhone turns on but gets stuck during the startup, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. Select your iPhone on your computer. When your iPhone is connected, follow these steps. In your iPhone 8 or later, including the iPhone SE second or third generation, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button. First volume up, volume down, and then side button. Once you've done that, keep holding the buttons and you will see this kind of recovery mode screen. When you get the option to restore or update, choose the update option. Your computer will download the software for your device. If it takes more than 15 minutes, then your device will exit the recovery mode. Repeat the steps again. So that's how you can fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.